Hello and welcome back to Steve's Monumental Adventure. We are on episode 33. Can you believe it? 33 episodes. Well, we're sort of coming back into the Shropshire area now, and it's nearly the end of Monumental Series 2. But in this episode, we look at the amazing River Dee Viaduct on the A483 at Chirk. Well, I am at the top of a lane near Chirk. Well, not far from Chirk, actually. It's more near the car boot sale. And behind me, this gateway takes us on apparently quite a nice walk. And at the end of this walk, or partly way round it, there's something quite monumental on the route. We all know it. We've probably been over it 1,000 times. So let's go and take a look down this Deetra. Well, it's the track down to the Dee Valley. Now I know this is not going to be the shortest walk, and I've done enough walking today and on this adventure, so hopefully the old legs can withstand the old pressure, and we'll be all right. So this track will lead us down to the River Dee, and that's what we want to go look at. While this track just keeps going down and down and down. I mean, it's obviously access for something, isn't it? It feels like we're going in the right direction now, though. It is nice here. Some sort of rock face has started appearing now on this side, but you can see it's planted out with these fir trees here. But yeah, take a look at it. That's interesting. So if you look at it, we've actually got all this rock laid and then a seam of coal in the middle there, look. You see that seam going across there? That blackishly seam of coal, and it's on a sort of tilt. Oh, that's interesting. So this is quite a valley then, really. I can see a track down the bottom that's joining on. But yeah, this is quite steep, so it does look like this has been cut out. Maybe it's been cut out by the valley, and I know this path, so this road here has obviously been filled in with loads of rubble and stuff to bring it up higher. There it is. I mean, you can't, that just like hangs above there, doesn't it? This is the amazing River Dee Viaduct, which is located on the 483 at Newbridge near Chirk. The viaduct was built in 1987 by Edmund Nuttall, and it was opened on the 1st of June 1990. The span of the bridge is 350 metres with a staggering height of 60 metres from the river below. 30,000 square metres of concrete were poured to make this monumental structure. And at the time of building, this was one of the highest road bridges built in the UK. During 1988, Edmund Nuttall hosted an exclusive open day where locals in the area could come and see this amazing viaduct, this amazing engineering feat, and people flocked from all over the place to admire this towering lump of concrete. Well, that was pretty damn awesome. That was one tall viaduct. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you join me on the next one. And you never know where we're going to turn up next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me. Thank you for watching.